All right, boys, let's get into the trade of the day. How I lost $184 day trading the NASDAQ today. Um, Really simple buys. I'll be honest. It's clear that we were bullish. I wanted to see us continue to be bullish, right? Where did I want to see price bounce from? Not down here. I really didn't want to see price bounce all the way down there. Um, was there an entry? Yes, there was. Probably. It's just not a great one. Yeah, yeah, not really an entry. Um, but I think the reason that we actually had to come down there was because of ES. And this is what I usually say. So when pairs are correlated, um, when NQ fills an entire fair value gap, like this hourly, right? We fill this entirely hourly fair value gap. And then we came down and filled this entire fair value gap, right? It was also a BPR, but that's kind of irrelevant, right? We don't need to do the same thing on ES. Yes, we came down and tapped into both. However, you can see this one we pushed past, we filled it completely, and in this one on ES, we did not fill it completely, right? Plus, if you look on ES, we had to come down and take out all of this low resistance liquidity just chilling right here, right? And yes, we had it on NQ, but look, we took it out much quicker and we ended up putting it in SMT. So, knowing that, I wanted to see a reversal from this point. It wasn't in discount, but I wanted to see a reversal. Okay, so let's go back here, explain the reasoning. So I saw this 1 hour internal low get swept, SMT right here, right? And we had a giant momentum candle to the upside. Okay, and we have relative equal highs as a beautiful, beautiful target. So naturally, what did I do? I targeted the high and took the trade because, in my opinion, this was a great trade. Should this have failed? In my opinion, no, it shouldn't have failed. It was a great trade. It only failed because I feel that ES was just not as caught up as NQ. And I feel like we needed to take out all of this low resistance liquidity. That's why I kind of marked out this little IVG and during this, because on ES it was a great sell model, but to take out all this liquidity, right? Because we did not do that on NQ. But overall, not even a bad day. I'm not even mad about this trade. I'd honestly take this trade so many more times. I mean, I've seen this trade play out thousands of times, honestly. But it's unlucky, and I'm not mad about it at all. As you can see, the P&L for the funded, we're down $200 on the month, which is bad. But I'm not mad wholeheartedly. Yeah, yesterday if I won, we low-key would have been green on the week. So that's a factor. We low-key would have been green on the week. And on Friday is tomorrow. Hopefully we can get a good, nice trade. So then we can end up green on the week. And then pretty much green on the month because we got one more week left of January. And I'm very confident that I could end up green. But now we're not close to a payout. I thought I was close, and we're really not that close as I thought anymore. Just another setback, but it's all right. All right for me. It's just these break evens. Like I really thought these were gonna hit. This one was a beautiful trade. I thought these were gonna hit. I under risked on this one. Sadly, it should have been like 500 like that one. And yeah, it's just unlucky. This one was really one trade. I don't know why it says 4 trades, but it is what it is. So yeah, we'll be sure to get it back tomorrow and in the last week of January. this was the trade recap of the day, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, boys.